Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to get arguments from the command line. So if we was to run, test.sh and we wanted to put some arguments after it, like let's say we're just creating some sort of adder, so 4 space 5, and we want to print out 9. So we can actually input it as parameters, but it could be other stuff as well, because I'm sure you've seen when you are putting something in, like any sort of command, technically they take parameters. Even if you do sudo apt dash get, update, for example, that's going to be my password. So all of these were parameters. So it's saying to sudo, to the super user do the apt get, and then also it's the update command. So let's clear that. So if you want to do something like that, you can do that pretty easily. So let's go to our script, and to actually get the total number of arguments that the user entered, we can literally just put $hash, and we're just going to say total args equals this. And to actually get each value, if you put $, then the number. So if you put $1, this will be the first argument, $2 will be the second argument, and you can just keep going. So I'm going to say num1 equals that, num2 equals that, and I'm going to say echo base, similar Star Wars, $1 times by $2 is equal to, and let's actually do the mathematical calculation. So result, so I'm doing multiplication now instead of addition. So result, it doesn't really matter, to be fair. The result equals $1 times by $2. Not $2. I'm doing num1, num2, and now I'm going to put in here $result, and I'm also going to say total args is $total args. Save that. So if I was to run it with, let's say, numbers 4 and 5, okay, so I've got a little mistake. Total args is 2. It's got 4 and 5 in there. If I was to change that around, we get 5 and 4 first. So what's wrong with this? Put $here. Why is what's happening? Why is it not? I'm trying to think what the command was to do the mathematical operation. I'm forgetting. There was, I remember, it's literally slipping my mind. At the beginning. Nope. It's fine. The only mistake is I forgot the 2 brackets. There we go. As you can see, the syntax highlighting is all good now. So if I run that, there we go. Okay, my mistake. Forgot something there. So there we go. We're there to pass in parameters, and each parameter is separated by a space. The parameter does not have to be a number. It could be characters, and then you could interpret that the way you want to. And feel free to check out the strings video for more advanced, sort of features on strings. So if I put, 34 and 4 here, so 34 times 4 is what, like 136. So there we go. So that is how you get arguments from the command line. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.